In this video, I will be giving you my honest review on Glide, one of the most easiest no-code platforms to turn spreadsheets into powerful mobile and web apps. If you're someone who has zero coding experience but wants to build something fast and functional, Glide is a great place to start. Glide works by connecting directly to Google Sheets or Excel. You just import your data and Glide instantly turns into a polished interactive app. The editor is clean and simple to use. You can drag and drop components like buttons, lists, forms, and images, and such maps. One of the best things that Glide is how fast you can go from idea to working app. You can literally launch something in minutes, especially for internal tools, directories or CRMs, and client portals. It's mobile friendly by default and also offers web view. There are some limitations though. Custom logic and design flexibility aren't as deep as platforms like Bubble or FlutterFlow. And while the free plan is great for testing, serious features like custom domains and user roles are behind a paywall. Overall, Glide is perfect for non-tech users who want to build something practical, fast, and clean without touching code. If you want speed and simplicity over complexity, Glide is absolutely worth trying. Don't forget to subscribe and like.